Hola, amigos and amigas. Ayuda es aquí. Help is here, boys and girls. This is your band teacher, and I'm here to help you understand all these lessons I've been handing out, okay? So I'm gonna go very slow. I'm gonna speak in all English. Okay, maybe I can get somebody to translate this for me. But I'm going to go through all the notes, okay? And what I want you to do and learn. Number one, you always need to have a chart next to you, right? You should always have a chart. You need the note reading chart. Always need that. You need to have this chart memorized, okay? To do all the work, you need to memorize this chart. Very important. Right now we concentrate on reading pitches, right? So you need to know the name of the pitches and that they represent lines and spaces on the treble clef, right? Let's look at this. So you have 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each line, each línea has a nombre, right? Each line has a name, right? So this one is E, G, B, D, F. You have 5 espacios also, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each space or box has a name. Letter, D, F, A, C, E, okay? Middle C is right here. The bass clef, by the way, this is treble clef for the higher notes. Bass clef for the lower notes. Has different letters, all right, for lower notes. Let me turn this music down. For my lower notas, right? I use my bass clef. So I get to middle C, so my treble clef note. So you need to understand how this system works. The line notes on the bass clef is G, B, D, F, A, right? And then you have the space notes, F, A, C, E, G. So you need to commit to memory this chart. Number one chart to commit to memory, okay? After you memorize this chart, then you can start answering questions. Not until this chart is memorized. It should be very close to you. Maybe you can print it out. I have PDFs. I have websites, I have Quizlets for you to practice. This is a website we normally use in school to practice your notes, right? Most kids know the website. They go there, they practice, they get fluent, and then they don't have a problem with reading the notes, okay? So for instance, this little quiz that we had, what's the object of this? Just practice writing in the chart, right? I will write it in for you here. Just like you see there, E. Let's make a smaller imprint there. G, B, D, F, right? Oh, let me look at my chart to make sure that's right. Yes. Then you write the next notes in, which is D, F, A, C, E. Let's write that in. D, F, A, C, E. See, in the box, in the box, in the box, in the box, in the box. That note is middle. Most kids know that note. That's a middle C. Okay, let's write that in. That's a C. So just right there, knowing those, just the treble clef alone, that's half of the quiz. E, G, B, D, F, D, F, A, C, E, middle C. Now you go to the lower notes, what you could do, by understanding how it's structured, if you see a C here and you go to B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F. So it has a logical structure, okay? You can reverse all your notes going backwards or forwards using the alphabet. The musical alphabet has 7 letters. Let's write that out too. 7 letters of the musical alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the next note would be A, the higher octave, repeating on and on and on and on and on. Okay, so the idea is that it has a structure and a logical system for you to understand how it works. But you need to commit to memory the structure in order for it to work for you. If you don't commit to memory, it will not work. Let's finish here and then go on to the next page. This is F, A, C, E, G, G, B, D, F, A. Okay? That's your chart.